afternoon. I'm gonna go jump out of an airplane today. What gave you this idea? Always wanted to do it, bucket list, and my son bought it for me for Father's Day, so cool. Right on. Yeah. Any thoughts before we get to the airplane? Let's get up and get out. Oh, okay, we'll still have some fun. We're at 8,000 feet, door open, I put my foot out and say, "Hey, put your feet out." So you lean back into me, put your feet out on the step. Can't slide back on back there. Yeah, grab your legs, probably the best way. Okay, so legs are there, perfect. So you don't grab onto anything, cross your arms across the chest. Put your head back to start an arch. Now this is the most important one. Take a deep breath. And relax. All about relaxing. You'll remember this one. And I'm just going to say ready, set, go. We're going to leave our feet where we are. You just stay there and I'm going to just roll us out of there. So how far do you actually go to tail? That's so far away that it's not even an issue. Yeah. So, we're in free fall. Your arms are still crossed. I do a quick safety check. Tap your arms come out to the side. Now you can do whatever. Camera's going to be here. Give me a good Facebook shot. Hands can come in, whatever. 5,000 feet, I open the parachute. I bring down the toggles. You put your hands in the loops underneath mine. Now you are driving. Pull down on the left to go left, pull down on the right to go right. That's all there is to it. Now we go fly around. It's in between 2,000 and 1,000 feet, depending where we are. I'm going to take control of the parachute. Now we're coming into land. I'm going to say feet up. Show me with one of your legs what you're going to do. And hold it. That's all there is to it.
Banking on a total sweep. Now the two left feet, maybe you would dance back home with me. Can't make you happy. You can't afford everything. You told me once, I guess I wasn't listening. It's inevitable what's happening. The target's picked and the mark is on your forehead. Fingers slammed on the trigger grip. The politics to find a trip into the trap that's been set and painted. Daylight savings and saving me. Daylight savings and saving me. And saving me. It ain't saving me. Know your role and don't make waves. You told me once and please don't make me hear it again. I can't control what's happening, and now it's done, but karma keeps on spanking me.
How was that? Right on! Congratulations! Yeah!
crossed my path that seemed to shoot no fear. Lost in every avenue I passed, I had to keep walking. Whoever did for me, I drifted, couldn't swim out of skin. I almost got comfortable.
How was that? Thanks, buddy. Very fun. This is a blast.